Zakir enters a room, there are two or three people that I've interacted with. Shushmita Sen is one of them. Shah Rukh Khan is the other. Mr. Bachchan is the third. When Zakir enters the room, the energy shifts. Something happens. You may
Yeah.
be looking at this side,
Yeah.
and maybe, but when
Yeah.
Zakir enters,
You just,
you
yeah.
know that somebody
There's
has
some
come.
aura that just,
Yeah, there's an
yeah,
aura that
yeah.
enters, and he had it from the first time that 30, 40, 50 years ago is when we first started interacting, is when like he had that presence. And I think the thing that I really remember most about him is his playfulness. Um, you would, in the middle of a concert performance, suddenly he'll start playing Pink Panther, So,
Yeah.
and he'll go,
Or Mozart or something, yeah.
dudung, or he'll say, Hema Malini, Hema Malini, and he'll say these kind of things, and and it would be,
Yeah.
his playfulness was something which was like something to admire.
Well, the first time that I really seriously interacted with him was the Masters of Percussion that happened in 1989 for the French Festival in India. And this was a concert that was held at the Gateway. In those days, it was much easier to get permissions. 2000, I did a film where he was doing all the songs and background. Everybody Says I'm Fine, Rahul Bose's film. And that was when he pitched the idea of my going on tour for Masters of Percussion, which he had started doing in the US. I mean, after that, I only got hired for all the complicated. He would
Jobs.
never, call me for a straight classical gig. In fact, he would say, "Mujib ji, aap kya karenge? Aap to so jayenge." So it was like that.
So the first time I met him was I saw him perform for the first time at Ajivasan Hall when he was performing with Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Sahab. And then the first time, right after that, I tagged along with him and Poosayani for the Prithvi Festival. And we went backstage, and I was this 20-something girl. And Shumantro just told him, "Hi, this is my assistant. Hi, Zakir, this is my assistant." So Zakir goes, "Hello, my assistant." So that was the first time I ever met him. And then, of course, we worked together, and those stories will come.